Good morning to all. How are you all? Hope all of you fine by the grace of God. And today we are going to see EVS lesson, Nature's Bounty. Nature's Bounty. That means we are going to learn in this lesson about plants and leaves, flowers, vegetables. Those things we are going to learn in this lesson. See here. See, can you see here one girl? Her name is Sylvie, and she is going to a garden, and she is seeing the yellow flower and on the tomato plant, and she is trying to pluck that yellow flower, but a bee came and said, "Don't pluck it because it is my food," because bee used to drink honey in that flower. And next, she is seeing the tomato and she want to pluck that tomato, but the parrot said, "That is my food, please leave it," because parrot used to eat fruit, no. And next, she saw green leaf, and she is trying to pluck that green leaf also, but grasshopper came and said, "Don't pluck the leaf," because grasshopper used to eat the green leaves. And Sylvie said, "Watering the plant, you provide food for all of us. Thank you very much." The Sylvie is saying to the plant, "You are providing food for the bee, parrot, grasshoppers, and for us. Thank you so much." And she is thanking the plant. We should also thank all the plants that we plant in the garden. And next, we are going to see today about the leaves. See, in LEAVES, leaves. In the leaves, there are different types of leaves. If you see, for example, light green, some leaves has light green, and some leaves dark green, and some leaves used to be soft and smooth. Some leaves are very rough, and it has edge, sharp, rounded shape. Some leaves are dry, and some leaves used to be big, and some small, and some tip. Today we are going to see those things in this lesson. See, can you see these leaves? Banana. We used to eat in these leaves. We used to serve food in these leaves, and in the marriage function, any function, they give food in this leaves. This is called, see here, varai, VAZHAI, varai, banana leaves. And this is mango leaves. See, this is banana leaves. I don't get big one, but I got the small one. I'm showing this. This is banana leaves, okay? And next, mango leaves. We call in Tamil mangai, MANGO, mango. See, this is mango leaves. And next, drumstick, murungai. This one, it's very good for health for us to eat. It gives strength and energy for us. Drumstick. See, drumstick leaves. At home, our moms used to cook for us, you know. And next, neem, NEEM, neem. Vepa ilai. See, this is vepa ilai. வேப்ப இலை. And next, coconut leaves, தென்னை. Coconut used to drink coconut water, that is called coconut. This is coconut leaves. I don't get the full one, but I got this one only. See, coconut leaves is to be like this, and we get brooms from these leaves. Children, we get broom from these leaves. And next, basil, tulasi. We used to eat tulasi for if we get cold and cough, we eat tulasi. See, this is tulasi leaves. Tulasi, some are used to plant in front of the house. They worship this plant also. And next, mint, pudina, coriander, kottamalli, curry leaves, curry வேப்பிலை. I don't get these 3 leaves. After I'll take the picture and I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Okay, children? See, children, leaf rubbing. Let us make a leaf pattern using crayons. See, we can rub with the leaves like this. When we can get pattern like this. See, you should take one leaves and keep on the paper, and you should color on the leaves, and you get the shape like this. And you see, if you take one leaves and keep in your book, and day by day, for after over week, it becomes like this dark color. See, like this, this leaves become like this dark color. You also try this one and show it to me. Okay? And next, we are going to see about flowers. See, firecrackers. That means kanakambaram. Firecracker. That means kanakambaram. Jasmine, Jasmine, jasmine. That means malligai. Marigold means this is not the biscuit name. This is the flower name. That is we call samandi. And next, lotus, lotus, lotus in Tamil, tamarai. Next, frangipani, that means in Tamil, sampangi flower. Next, rose. Yes, we all like rose, roja. Next, screw pine, தாழம்பூ. We used to in the garland they used to use this flower, screw pine. Shoe flower, chembariti, shoe flower. This is very good for our hair and good for our heart also. And arichampa means manoranjitam. So if you see the flowers, there are kinds of flowers, and it has different kinds of smell, different kind of petal, and some flowers used to be soft and smooth, rough. It has, if we see rose, it has thorn and colored red, pink, white, yellow. Okay, children. Next, let's see here. This flowers has good smell. This flowers has very pleasant smell. Sampaka means senbagam. This flower has very good smell. And jasmine, very nice. We all like the jasmine smell. And rose also has pleasant smell. how to keep our flowers very fresh. See, if you see, uh, keep take one bottle, pour water in that, keep the flower there, it will be after you pour water, keep the flower, it will be always fresh. And you should see, match the flower with their petals. Can you recognize the which flower has the which petals? See, yes, this is Chambarati. Chambarati petal is here. And next, lotus. Lotus petal is here. Next, sunflower. Sunflower petal is here. Rose petal here. Okay, all of you match like this, children. And today we learn about leaves and flowers. And next we will continue in the part 2. Okay, children, thank you. And learn the flowers name, leaves name. Thank you. Bye.